The We Are Nature Songbook. We Are Nature Head to Toes. Inspired by Tom Cowan and Cal Washington. We are nature, yes we are, head to toes. Twinkling dust of shining stars that glows. Oh, in comes oxygen, out CO2 goes. We are nature, head to toes. We are made of water just like the trees, with the same minerals as in the seas. In comes water, out goes holy pea. We are nature's you can see. We are generators of scalar waves, just like those that the universe permeate. A living torus field that flows. We are nature, head to toes, head to toes. Waterlandia, inspired by Cal Washington, Tom Cowan, and Geoff Lawton. O apple tree, how great your bounty! From just one fruit grows an entire tree. While you feed birds, squirrels, and humanity, your abundance is nature's generosity. O great rocks, deep in the bowels of earth, you grind out hydrogen and oxygen, and to the surface thrust their holy union, gracing us all with endless water so pure. The cult of death screams, there is scarcity of water, food, and energy, and does its best to spoil all for humanity. But life keeps death where it's meant to be. Earth is our home, nature our mother, exuding abundance as no other. Rocks, plants, and animals are sisters and brothers. May we embrace our abundant family. Exposing the death cult. Waterboarding. The waterboard is flooding sea fish with freshwater tea, all with the aim of starving the likes of you and me. Let's join hands, farmers and friends, let's put this nonsense to an end. Put the waterboard on notice as crimes against life terrorists. We're gonna untrouble the water and set air, land, and water free. Who's gonna do that? The likes of you and the likes of me. It's the LAW, don't you see? Let's set land, air, and water free. That's right, you and me. Old MacWater. The waterboard's stealing H2O, E-I-E-I-O, from our dear Farmer Joe, E-I-E-I-O. Dumping into the sea for salt fishies to have fresh water tea. Or is it to starve you and me? what to do in face of this crime. E-I-E-I-O, grab a shovel just in time. E-I-E-I-O, turn canal water back into the right track. Hear the ducks sing, quack, quack, quack. Fresh water belongs to the land. E-I-E-I-O, here we will take our stand. E-I-E-I-O. Happy Trails, inspired by Rusty. Happy chemtrails to you. They want us to believe. They shower us with metals that we and the plants must breathe. They don't care that their clouds aren't real weather, long as we sing their songs together. So happy chemtrails to you, to the bitter end. We don't want your nasty chemtrails, we see what you are up to. Will you stop your poison rails when you find the liabilities on you? We don't have to take their weather, it really is true. Long as we stick together, we'll be smiling in a world brand new. We care to have nature's true weather, so we can live peacefully together. So crappy chemtrails to you, till we change the end. A hot time. Late one spring, or summer, or fall, first comes the spraying, then the fireball. They'll say, a cow kicked a lantern. They'll wink their eye and cry, there'll be a hot time in the countryside tonight. Fire, fire, fire. Scurry, Scurry, inspired by Lynn and Catherine. Less than a tiny minority, they scurry, scurry, to stay out of the light of day, to not give their secrets away. They know that once enough of us to know it's the end of their Truman Show. So grab your flashlights, don't delay, to help them scurry, scurry away, all the way out the door, not to return evermore. And let it shine light for us too, so we know what's what and who's who. Grand solar minimum, coming to a neighborhood near you. Oh, when the sun begins to cool, oh, when the sun begins to cool, we don't want to be in that number. When the sun begins to cool, winter so long and oh so cold, way too much water when spring thaw goes. Then summer's hot, 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 with water not, not, not. Short growing seasons with too much water, or way, 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 way too little. Too much, too little light and heat when the sun is in retreat. Won't be much heat, won't be much light, not high heat nor light for plants to grow. There won't be much food for that number, except for those in the bunkers below. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do for us to survive? Grow and store food, secure water, make shelter, build community. Get a power source for these blackouts now. We gotta do it any somehow. We don't want to be in that number when the sun begins to cool. Stepping into sovereignty. Nix on CBDC, central bank digital currency, inspired by Catherine Austin Fitts and Luminary Village. They want to turn us on and then turn us off, so we do exactly whatever they want. Those central bankers really are a scream. Let's foil their evil wet dream. Start with hashtag Cash Friday, then make it cash always. We can make our own with silver, gold, or bone. We build food security, showing our clout. That's what it's all about. We educate our kids ourselves, take care of our own health. We dance, make music, art, and poetry. Creativity, without a doubt, is what it's all about. Nix on CBDC. Nix on CBDC. Creativity, without a doubt, is what it's all about. Da-da! Alphabet soup. CSA, PMA, what oh what are they? Listen up, my dear friends, and I'll tell you starting at the end. A PMA, Association B, for members in privacy, where color of law does not apply and only their own rules preside. A CSA is similar, specifically in agriculture, supported by a community for mutual benefit and harmony. PEA, PHA, what in the heck are they? Listen up, my dear, dear friends, while your eager ears I bend. A PEA is private too, for our kids instead of school, where guidance we ourselves provide, and so together we turn the tide. With a PHA we'll save the day, treating our health in a holistic way, chiropractic, acupuncture, and more, like massage and yoga on the floor. CSA, PMA, PEA, and PHA, all great friends to have around, so everywhere joy will resound. Let's join hands, family and friends, bringing tyranny to an end by leaving the public realm and in the private taking the helm. Dreaming healthy soil. I'm dreaming of healthy soil, just like it used to be, full of worms and fungi, rich and loamy, and of fertility. I'm making this dream come true, and my friends, so can you. Feed her wood chips and leaves, poop and pee of chickens, rabbits, and of you. I'm feeding her rainwater, which she loves as no other. Otherwise gray water, duly structured, oh so gently. I'm protecting precious soil today, with leaves and straw and with hay. Stepping stones for my feet, 'cause she says don't tread on me, so she can eat and drink and breathe. So may all our soil be healthy, that's right, and may all of nature be bright. Grow, grow, grow your food wherever you may be. That's an important part, dude, of food security. Know your farmers, support them directly. That's a vital link to food security. Rainwater. To save rainwater, there is nothing simpler. Get a tub or a bucket, outside put it. That is it. To prevent mosquitoes, call the county up. Get mosquito fish for your tubs. They'll eat them up like Cheetos. For emergency water, get a wine barrel and fill it up full. Put in a faucet to withdraw it. For drinking water, get a water structuring device. It may cost a pretty price, but how much is worth your life? Rain, pray for it, just in time. Shine, cover your tubs, and you'll be fine. I can tell you, if we collect rainwater and dew, we will find a way through to stay alive, for life to thrive, for life to thrive. Old MacGates. Old MacGates has a farm, E-I-E-I-O, with livestock in a barn, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a moo-moo there, here an oink, there a cluck, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacGates had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm some critters got wise, E-I-E-I-O. They saw the light of day and went their own way, took the farm back and had a field day. Old MacGates no longer has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Recipes for sovereignty. Ben's turkey jerky. Slice fresh raw meat and season it to taste. Dehydrate on very low heat. That's all it takes to make jerky of buffalo, beef, deer, or turkey. Mariana's red cabbage sauerkraut. Knead shredded cabbage till the juice is out. Pack down in a jar with your fist power. Fill with brine and kraut juice, close up, let ferment for 3 days or more, then in the fridge do store. Carla's lung liberating mush. Hey ho, stuffy chest, can't get no kind of rest. But pear, oatmeal, and cinnamon bring resolution. Hey ho, congestion go, freely breathing once again. Thanks to Mother Nature can. Hey ho, congestion go. Eddie's Cilantro Coriander Chelation Pesto, with thanks to Terri. To shove heavy metals right out the door, chop in blender 2 cups cilantro, with 2/3 cups of flaxseed oil, all on a Saturday morning. Add 1/3 of a cup of Brazil nuts, 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin seeds, and also of sunflower seeds, all on a Saturday morning. Now 4 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons powdered dulse, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, some Bragg's aminos or miso instead, all on a Saturday morning. Blend all together into a nice paste. Store in dark glass or in a dark place. Make lots and lots 'cause it freezes well, all on a Saturday morning. Ben's Pemmican. Pemmican, a Cree word for grease, is rendered fat and shredded dried meat, dried ground berries, maple syrup, laced with honey, pressed flat in a rectangular pan on low oven heat till crispy and tan. Cut in strips or into squares, keeps its strength for years. Penelope's Fire Cider. Oh, there's fire, fire, wonder-working fire in our fire cider. Get some turmeric, jalapenos, horseradish, garlic, and ginger. Chop 'em up in 1-inch cubes or smaller. Drench in apple cider vinegar. In 3 to 6 weeks, the magic will unfold with echinacea to ban respiratory cold. With 10 to 20 droppers full in water every hour or every quarter, bronchitis, asthma, or pneumonia will feel fire cider's power. Oh, there's power, power, wonder-working power in our fire cider. Just try it out and see how you feel with a cure from Mother Nature. Jason's Compost Tea. A bucket full, half of water, half of poop of horse or cow, seasoned with fresh comfrey leaves and spirulina. Let it stand for months on end, covered so rain can't get in, letting light and air still be there, I swear. Strain, then mix a cup per gallon or even 2 of water. This will baptize an entire garden. You'll see that plants will grow, yes, just like a mofo. All this brought to you by Poop and H2O. Can't you see how happy we will be with our homemade compost tea? The pea train. The pea that you flush into the sea is full of minerals that plants do need. It seems like crud, but it's just like blood, minus the iron that makes red the blood. We are taught that pea is waste, nasty, dirty, though commonplace, from Mother Nature and estrangement, a setup for enslavement. Catch your pea to serve plants as tea. Put on your skin to make it healthy. Drink it for ails, including cancer. Your pea can be the answer. And that's it.